Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to go over some props, some very small props I'm going to use in my experimental horror film. And I'm going to go over how I'm going to work out testing some particular lighting and stuff like that I'm creating on actually, and that type of a thing. Recording here in the Philippines, and we'll be filming in the Philippines when we start to film on celluloid, as you can see. One thing I need to stress here again about filming in the Philippines is very noisy in this country, so it's always good to use a silent camera a good bit of the time, especially do experimental, independent, low budget, no budget, and add the sound in later through studio. Alright, so let's get started. Now a shot like this may not look like very much raw, as we all know, those of us who are filmmakers, but once you put in the film painting, stains and stuff like that, you know, from iodine and things like that, and that type of color system, and including a color system I've got created on, that I'm currently working on, that should look really, really great. And there are different applications to, with tissue paper, colored tissue paper and things like that, to angle it at different areas around these areas here and here, where my finger was, to reflect off and reflect the color of this ball, you know, that type of thing. So that's what I'm looking to do. Moving on. So my entire point here with experimental films is that you can use a prop like that and a shot like that and make it so basic it can tell a huge part of the story, such as the ball that you see, the child's ball, and that will have a very prominent part in my first experimental horror film, telling the story, a complete subject of what's going on. Alright, you can add your color in just like that with some, like I said, with some tissue paper, reposition it in different parts, and shine some light through it, and that will make it more prominent, the colors within the ball, the glitter inside of there. Or whatever type of prop you're using, you can work around with that. Play with it. Alright, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join the Barter, Buy, and Sell Morbid Team Entertainment group. And put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.